This exquisite home backing to a private green space is in a premium location. Just a leisurely walk away from parks, the best schools, and the vibrant amenities that Lake Oswego has to offer. Providing an unparalleled combination of privacy, convenience, and luxury, you'll enjoy tranquility year-round. Lush landscaping invites you inside, where you'll discover vaulted ceilings and exposed beams in a light-filled living space. From here, head out to the spacious deck overlooking the expansive green space. Host gatherings in the dining area, or make your favorite cuisine in the kitchen with abundant storage space and peaceful views. Double doors lead to the large main-level primary suite, complete with its own private balcony where you can soak in the natural beauty that surrounds you. You'll find a well-appointed ensuite bath and a walk-in closet. The main-level office provides a quiet space for inspiration and productivity. Downstairs, discover a huge family room with another cozy fireplace. A versatile bonus room offers endless possibilities for customization. And you'll find 2 additional bedrooms, both with views of the green space. Step outside to a covered deck or enjoy outdoor activities in the fenced yard. You'll also love the convenient location within walking distance to Green Tree Pool and with easy access to great local stores, including New Seasons. Privacy, convenience, and natural beauty combine to create an exceptional living experience. It's all here ready for you to call home. To schedule your personal tour, please contact Steve Nassar at 503-805-5582. For financing options, please contact Carrie Benshoff with Director's Mortgage.